Intersect line break command. To break the lines intersect with the blocks, or intersect with other lines, we are going to use srjcat program command called intersect line break. This command can be called through srjcat menu or by toolbar or by command prompt. The short form to call intersect line break command is ILB. When this command is called, Intersect line break tab will be opened. Select circle or block type to consider as intersect object. Select an area. The selected block type will act as intersect object, and other objects passing through the blocks will be automatically break. Another example for line break. We can break the lines intersect, using intersect line break command. Select an area. The lines intersect with each other, head break.